Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change device name in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to about device. And here you can see the device name. My device name is clearly printed Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you would like to change this name to your own name, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is click on device name and delete available text and write your own text. Here write my daughter name Gerolina. So click on save. So device name is now temporarily read as Gerolina. In this way, you can easily change device name in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.